Hey Edson, it's Mayor Zahara here with a COVID-19 update for May the 4th. Some good news today from the province. Now over half of the COVID-19 cases in the province have recovered, and we've only seen 70 new cases in the last 24 hours. Certainly good news. Here locally, we've had 2 cases of COVID-19 confirmed. One of those individuals is now recovered. We have one that is still active, and we certainly wish them a speedy recovery. Now, I've had some questions from people wondering if there was community transmission, how that all occurred. We have reached out to Alberta Health Services. Unfortunately, they're not releasing that information to us. What I can tell you, though, it did not occur in a seniors facility, so that's certainly good news. And we are also seeing the reopening of the economy. The province announced that, the Premier announced that this past Friday. We are certainly looking at what the province has announced and starting to look at reopening services within our community that aligns with that provincial strategy. And we have some details that we have released on that this afternoon. One of the messages I wanted to deliver today, and I think it's very important, that we can't become complacent, and we have to be cautious as we move forward with the reopening of the economy. The whole idea behind the shutdown really was to make sure that we're not overwhelming the healthcare system. It was never about stopping COVID-19. It's impossible to do. It was about managing it and ensuring that we have the resources in place to deal with the health outcomes that would be happening if there were some mass infections. So we've been able to slow that spread. We've been able to deal with that with our healthcare system, and now we're seeing the reopening of our economy. But we got to make sure we have all the precautions in place and do it carefully and thoughtfully. And I certainly hope that we are successful in doing that and making sure that we're keeping people as safe as possible. Myself, along with Mayor Michaels in Hinton, Mayor Ireland, as well as Mayor Glinsky, West Yellow Community Futures, and Alberta Labour had a little bit of a Zoom meeting today with regional businesses. They had a lot of questions about the reopening and what that would mean to them, and we're going to be sure to pass on those questions to the other levels of government and try to get some clarity on what that means for businesses moving forward. It's really important that we're all working together as a business community, as individuals, as a community as a whole, as we deal with the fallout from COVID-19. Now, tomorrow, we're going to be having an event here in Edson. It's a convoy for seniors. We're encouraging people to meet at Repsol Place. Deanna Mitchner, this is her brainchild, putting this all together and doing a drive-by the Parkland Lodge just to wave and hopefully brighten the spirits of all the seniors at Parkland Lodge. The Evergreens Foundation, the staff at Parkland Lodge have been doing a phenomenal job on making sure our seniors are safe. So we'll be doing a drive-by there a couple times, and then going by the Evergreens Foundation building on 5th Avenue over by 53rd Street as well, just to show our support and make sure that our seniors know that we're thinking of them. If you want to participate, you can drop on by the Repsol Place parking lot at around noon. We're going to be leaving at around 12:30. The Edson Fire Department is going to be participating. I believe the Edson RCMP as well as members of council, and we certainly hope to see you down there. This is also Mental Health Awareness Week, and I want to really share that. Make sure you're looking after your mental health. That's one of the reasons why park spaces remained open within the town of Edson trail systems. This has been an incredibly stressful and difficult time for many individuals, and you have to look after your mental health. And if you need help and assistance, please contact 211. They are a service that's open 24/7, 7 days a week, and you can contact them, and they will link you up to the resources you need. If you need somebody to talk to during this Mental Health Awareness Week, we'll have further details on some of the initiatives the town of Edson is taking in order to highlight mental health awareness this week. Our community development department's been doing just a fantastic job, and you can check out the community development webpage for further information on that. Edson, continue to be safe, be kind, take care of one another. And and it's also National Forestry Week. I want to give a shout out to all the foresters out there and everybody that supports the forestry sector. Thank you for all you do. And Teachers Appreciation Week as well. Thank you to all of our teachers who have really had to learn on the fly and adjust things this past number of months. Thank you to the teachers for all you do. I know many parents, I think, appreciate the work you do on a daily basis a lot more than probably ever before. So thank you. We will have a further update for you on Wednesday. Take care, be kind, and we'll talk to you on Wednesday.